Hello class, welcome back to our second session, and like what I've said earlier, in our second session we are going to continue our lesson, read the story. So everyone take out your Chunk of Phonics student book, this one, and open your book on page 81. So this one is our story. In our first session, we read and chant along with this story, right? Now, it's time for you to read this story. Record your story or record yourself while reading the story. Okay, class? And send your video to your teacher's personal telegram. Now, let's read one more time. There is a man on the cube. He sees a mule. The mule has a tube. The mule is cute. Can I use the tube? Asks the man. The mule is mute. The man is sad. So let's talk about this story again, everyone. So first line, this one, how many lines do we have? How many sentences? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sentences, right? For this story. Now let's talk about this story, everyone. There is a man on the cube. So where's the man? This is the man on the cube. Okay? He sees a mule. So the man, he or she? Correct. He sees the, what is this? Mule. Correct. The mule has a tube. So this mule has what? Tube. What is the color of the tube? Pink, right? So this one is the tube. Next. The mule is cute. The mule is cute. Next. Can I ask, next, can I use the tube? Who said that one? Very good. The man asked to the mule that, can I use the tube? The mule is mute. So this mule cannot talk, right? So the mule is mute only. The man is sad because he cannot get an answer from the mule. Okay, so this is our story for today. Now we have quiz in here below the story. Let's answer this story. Okay, everyone, if you understand the story, you know how to answer this quiz. So the quiz is, the mule has a cube or tube. So here's our quiz in here. The mule has a cube or tube. Is it number 1 or number 2? Very good. The mule has a tube, right? This one, so number 2. So you need to circle the tube. So that is our answer for 2. Very good, everyone. Clap for yourself. Okay, class, so now let's proceed to our practice for today. Our practice for today is complete the story. So it's also related to our topic today. Now, if you understand our story or remember our story, you can answer our practice without looking into the book or your notebook. So can you help teacher to finish this one? Okay, great. So let's start. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sentences like I said earlier, right? So here there is a man, correct? So in here there is a man, correct? Right, man. M-A-N, man. On the cube, correct? C-U-B-E, cube. Next, He sees what he sees? Mule, correct. M-U-L-E, mule. Next, the mule, correct. The mule has a tube. Okay, T-U-B-E, tube. The mule, correct, is cute. Okay, C-U-T-E, cute. Next, can I use, correct, use, U-S-E, the tube. Okay. Ask the man. The what? Correct, mule. The mule is, good job, mute. Mute, M-U-T-E. Next, the man. The man is sad. Okay, very good, everyone. So this is our lesson for today. We talk about read the story and chant along with the story. So don't forget to remember our lesson for today is from Unit 8, Sound, Youth, and You. So I'll see you again. So before we say goodbye, everyone, don't forget to finish your classwork and also your homework and send back your answers to teacher's personal telegram. So I'll see you again tomorrow, everyone. Goodbye.